Remember when gas was under $3 a gallon? Pepperidge Farm remembers, but also your wallet remembers, and it's not happy. Here's the thing nobody tells you about owning a car. It's not just the gas, it's the insurance, the maintenance, the parking tickets, the check engine light that costs $200 just to diagnose. Your car isn't just a mode of transportation, it's a subscription service you never signed up for. And today, I'm going to show you how to cancel it, or at least downgrade to the free trial. Welcome to Vibe and Sense. Make your money match your vibe. Let's get into it. Let's do the math, and I'm going to be conservative. Gas. If you drive 12,000 miles a year, that's about 230 miles a week, and your car gets 25 miles per gallon, you're burning 480 gallons of gas annually. At $4 a gallon, that's $1,920 a year just for fuel. Insurance. The average young driver pays about $1,500 to $2,000 a year. Let's call it $1,800. Maintenance. Oil changes, tire rotations, brake pads, the occasional check engine surprise. Average about $1,000 a year. Depreciation. Your car loses value the moment you drive it off the lot. Average loss is about $2,000 to $3,000 per year for the first few years. Parking. If you pay for parking at work or at home, add another $500 to $1,500. Add it all up, we're looking at roughly $7,000 to $9,000 a year per car. That's not a car. That's a roommate who eats your food, never cleans, and asks for money every week. Now, let me introduce you to the alternative, the bicycle. Not the $10,000 carbon fiber racing bike, just a regular, functional, two-wheeled machine. Cost of gas? Zero. Insurance? Zero, though a helmet is a good investment. Maintenance? Maybe $100 a year for a tune-up and a new tube if you get a flat. Depreciation? Your bike will outlive your car, and if you buy used, it's already depreciated. Parking? Free. Everywhere. Always. A bike costs roughly $100 to $300 a year to maintain. Compare that to $7,000 for a car. That's not saving money. That's finding money you didn't know you had. Here's where it gets really interesting. Your doctor wants you to bike. Your wallet wants you to bike. Your insurance company, though, they'd prefer you drive. But don't listen to them. Cycling is exercise, and exercise saves you money in ways you don't expect. Fewer doctor visits. Regular cardio reduces your risk of heart disease, diabetes, and high blood pressure. That's fewer copays, fewer prescriptions, fewer "why am I so tired all the time" conversations with your GP. Better mental health. Studies show that people who bike to work report lower stress levels than people who drive. Sitting in traffic is rage-inducing. Biking past traffic? That's a power move. No gym membership. The average gym membership costs about $50 to $100 a month. That's $600 to $1,200 a year. A bike is a gym on wheels, and the scenery is better. Now, full disclosure, your butt will hurt for the first week. That's normal. It goes away. Your body is just asking, "Wait, we're doing this now?" After a week, it stops complaining. Also, you will sweat. That's fine. Pack a change of clothes, or lean into it and call it earnest effort. Look, I'm not saying sell your car tomorrow and bike across the country. I'm saying most car trips are short, really short. According to the Department of Transportation, more than half of all car trips are under 3 miles. 3 miles? That's a 15-minute bike ride, maybe 20 if you're taking it easy. 3 miles is also how far people drive to the grocery store, the coffee shop, the gym, their friend's house, the pharmacy. You don't need to bike everywhere. You just need to replace 1 or 2 car trips a week. But here's the magic. Once you start biking for errands, you'll start noticing more trips that are bikeable. The coffee shop that's 2 miles away, the library, the park, the bar where your friends hang out. Each trip you replace is money in your pocket and minutes added to your life, literally. I can already hear the objections, but bikes are expensive. No, they're not. Here's how to start for almost $0. Option 1, used bikes. Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, garage sales. You can find a perfectly functional bike for $50 to $150. It won't be pretty, it might have a rusty chain, but it will move you from point A to point B. Option 2, bike share programs. Most cities have them. Lime, City Bike, Divvy. You pay a few dollars per ride,
No maintenance, no storage, no upfront cost. Option 3, borrow from a friend. Someone you know has a bike collecting dust in their garage. Ask to borrow it for a week. If you like it, offer to buy it. Option 4, walk. If biking feels like too much, just walk. Walking is free, walking is healthy. Walking is slower, but sometimes slower is better. The point isn't to become a cyclist. The point is to drive less, even a little. Your wallet will thank you, your body will thank you, and honestly, your mood will probably improve too. Your car is stealing your money and your health, not because cars are bad, they're useful, but because most of us drive when we don't need to. Try replacing one car trip this week with a bike. See how it feels. If this video made you think differently about how you get around, hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment. What's the shortest car trip you take regularly? How far is it? Make your money match your vibe. I'll see you on the bike lane.